What's up, guys? Today we're going to be working on the headlights in the Civic. We're going to be going from this right here to this right here using the Cerakote headlight restoration kit. I'm going to show you guys what comes in the pack and run through what we need to do to get these things looking good again. I've never used this kit until today, and overall I'm impressed. Every other time I've refinished headlights, I've always sanded them with 800, then 1200, 1500, 2000, all the way up, and then used a 2K clear. I've had good results with that, but I'm pretty happy with this too. So let's get to it. All right, so what you're gonna get is 2 packs of this first step. This is to remove your oxidation and all the stuff on the very outside kind of layer of the headlight. It's 4 wipes. You're supposed to use all 4 per headlight. Mine were not in that bad shape. I ended up just using 2. So I've got 2 here that are used and 2 I'm gonna use. Your second step is gonna be the sanding. You get 2 2000 grits and 2 3000 grit. And you also get a pad to put them on to do the wet sanding. And you get a third step, which is your clear coat. You get 2 of these. I've already used 1. You get a instruction book, and you get 2 pairs of gloves. I've already used them both. The first pair is for this step and the second pair is for this step, but I've got my own gloves, so I'm just going to use those. Now, what happens to headlights and why they all become cloudy is your factory clear coat, which is very thin, breaks down. And so then you have no UV protection and you are exposing your plastic lens to the elements. And so you can polish it all you want to, it will never stay looking clear. The only way to truly fix it is put a clear coat on it, whether it's a Cerakote kit or the 2K clear, or have an auto body shop spray it. That's really the only way to make it last. Now, a couple things I recommend using that they don't supply is some painter's tape. We're going to tape up the surrounding area. So that way we don't get any kind of sanding scratches on the paintwork. This is optional, you don't have to do this. As far as dirty, but I did just do a paint correction on it not long ago, and I just don't really want to have to go back and do a touch up. All right, the next step, which it doesn't say to do this, is just for me. I've got regular Windex with ammonia. I'm spraying that on a little shop rag. I'm just wiping to get the surface area clean before I actually move on to the first step. It's kind of like any bugs or any road debris, anything like that. I won't be pushing it into the plastic of the headlight with the sanding disc. There's something real quick and easy. You can see how much dirt that picked off. So now we can actually move to the official step 1. It says oxidation remover. So all we're doing with this little towelette right here is rubbing up all around the whole headlight. We want to get all, whatever loose oxidation will come off, we want to get that off first before we proceed to the next step. All right, next step, we're gonna move on to the wet sanding process. We're gonna use the 2000 grit, that's your burgundy back. And we're gonna start out with the backer pad. We're only gonna end up taking it off with your light, with your sandpaper. Green backed pad, they're both gray. This one's a lighter gray. This is your 3000 grit. This is gonna be the last thing you use before you put your clear on. Almost done. Once you get to this point right here, you're just about done. All right, there's the finished product of that one. We'll let it cure, and I'll try to get either pictures or videos of it during the daytime out there. Maybe when the car's clean, I don't know, we'll see. All right guys, car's still filthy, but this is a video just showing how clear they are. This is in the daytime. They look real good, and I definitely recommend it. As always guys, thank y'all for watching. It's appreciated. We'll see y'all on the next video.